What? It's working. It's working. Yeah, hello?
Good morning, Agent 404. We have a mission for you.
I hope it's something easy and fun to do.
We need the ability to train a model using Unsloth. All you need to do is get it up and running.
It doesn't sound too bad. All I gotta do is run
No
collab and then
collab.
Oh, come on, why not?
And you have to use Windows.
Oh, why do you hate me so much? I don't want to use Windows. Hey, come back. Come on. Oh. Mission Toombot. Training Unslot Neural Engine best optimized tweaks. Whatever that means, let's continue with the plan. Whoop. A card. Get a red. Well, no go yet. So, Windows. Local. Setup. What does that involve? That involves Python. And then maybe CUDA? Question mark? I don't know. Unsloth. PyTorch. And I think that's all we're gonna need. Then we need to test. Then we need to test. See if Unsloth can run on Windows. I think I'm gonna run into a problem if I try and install all this on my local Windows machine because I already have things installed and may conflict with them, and also it's not a clean install, so it's not real true representation what it's like to actually install something like all this crap. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to use something called Windows Sandbox. On Windows Professional 11, there is something called Windows Sandbox, where you can install whatever you want. And if you delete the sandbox, well, if you close down the window, it'll get rid of that instance of Windows. But this is the problem with this. If I ever want to start it up again, I mean, I have to reinstall everything. But that's not going to work either. But there's also something else called, on again, Windows 11 Professional. It's called Hyper-V, which is a virtualization machine for Windows. You can install anything you want on it, and it shouldn't break your local PC. This is what it looks like, and it's not that hard to play with. Let me just bring it up for you. There you go. Alright, you should see that. Alright, let me make it bigger for you guys. A little bit bigger. So you see how it shows Windows 11 Dev? We're going to install that. Hopefully. Yay, it's done. Let's connect. Once this is done coming up, I'm going to see how to install Python on it. I don't think it comes on by default. Install Python. Okay. Windows. Python. 12. Install 12. Open it up. Yes, install. Sure, why not? Where is it? There we go. Then we do version Python. Version, make sure installed. Python 30? Let me try something else. It should know the Python command by default, but I may have missed something. Uninstall it. Easy to install Python. Here we go. Let's do all that. Yes. Close. Hopefully. Yes. Why? Python. Yay! Okay, so this is done. Go back to C drive, create a new document called Unsloth. Here. Unsloth. There we go. Here. Nothing in here. Python -m virtual environment. I'm going to call it virtual environment. There. The virtual environment has been created. Oh, pip. We have pip in here. Pip install PyTorch. While PyTorch installs, I'm going to see how to install CUDA because Unsloth needs it. This may be a hot mess. So why not? Let's install CUDA. CUDA. While CUDA installs, we're going to go to Unsloth GitHub, copy the code, and see if we can run the project on our system. Let's do a building. Alright, before I mess with the code, let me activate my virtual environment in my Unsloth directory. It's pretty easy, just hit the activate script and then hit enter. Oh, I forgot I need to run this execution policy on Windows to allow myself to run scripts. And hopefully this will work. Right, yep, there we go. It says download. Oh, look at that. Link it to here. Right, now I gotta run it and see if it can run. Python. No. I did some research and it looks like a virtual machine does not have access to your GPU by default. As you can see here, it's not even showing up. So what I'm going to do is use my sandbox. I know my sandbox has access to my GPU, and I'm going to reinstall everything, my IDE, Python, all that crap. So this is my sandbox, and let's guess. I pretty much did the same steps as I did before. I'm not going to bore you with it. All right, so Python, 3, boom. So I think we need to install this. File, install it. Sure, why not? It installs, so let's close that and let's run it again. What is this? What is this? I did some more reading on Unsloth and Windows. It looks like it's kind of a pain in the butt to get it working. So one thing they suggested was using WSL. What is WSL? It's pretty much Linux for Windows. It should be easy. All you gotta do is make sure it's installed and then go to your settings and make sure your Hyper-V is enabled. And once you have that on, it should work real easy. Okay, you gotta be kidding me. Screw virtual machines, screw sandboxes. I'm gonna just use my local PC. I have WSL enabled and I do have some instances of Ubuntu there, but I don't want to mess with them since I have some projects on those systems. So I need to install a new version of Ubuntu. List on what? They have, this is the most recent one, I think. So let's install this guy. Grab him. WSL. Right. Install. Distribution name and boom. Get out of here. WSL. Once you install it, you should see Ubuntu there. I'm going to create a new instance off of this one and call it Unsloth so I know what it's for. It kind of keeps things more manageable. You don't have to do this. What that involves is I have to export it as a tar, then import it with the new name. Shouldn't be too hard. WSL exports. Usually you just use the default, but I want this one. I want this one. I'm going to call this .tar. Right. So if I do a directory here, boom, right here, it creates tar. Let's call this so I know what's in here. Whoop. WSL. This it should be here, and then to go into WSL -D here. Boom. We should pop into our Ubuntu Linux system. I'm create directory home directory. Make directory called Unsloth. And go into Unsloth. Right. I need to see what Python version do we have. Python is not installed. Python 3? Oh, that's one. Python 3. Also Python 3 -n environmental variable. What's this? Okay, we gotta install this. Why would it be easy? I think we need this. I don't know what this is doing, but it's doing something. Update again. And then we need to install Python 3.12. Yes. Do I need to do that? 12 version? Oh, great. Where is it? User. Then. I don't want to keep typing Python 3.12 every time I need to use Python. So what I'm going to do is create a symlink with the word Python. And hopefully it should be easy. You do this. ln-s location user bin. I think it's Python 12. And user bin Python. But now if I type Python version, the ls Python. I do that. Python. So now Python is pointing to 3.12. Let's go to home directory if I can find it. Then we'll go to the Unsloth directory, and I think it's empty. No, it's not empty. Let me get rid of this directory. I don't need it anymore. Just do RM. RF is a little dangerous, but what do I care? Get rid of it. And now all we gotta do is create a virtual environment. Then after this, we should be closer to getting this done. Oh, I think I need to install Python environment thingamajig. But whatever. I don't care right now. I want to get this to work. Alright, so it pretty much needed its version of what the hell is it? Of this. Didn't have activated, right? So source, virtual environment, then activate. Yeah, so now in a virtual environment. Right now I need to copy over the code of Unsloth into a file on the system. Llama. That P. Yes, paste it all. Alright. Install. Install. Just run it, see if it can run. Where is it? Boom. Dude, oh, what is this? What is this? C compiler. How do you install a C compiler? Alright, let's install Building Essentials. Okay, let's try it again. Boom. Run. Oh man, what now? Okay, so I went to Unsloth GitHub and they recommend if you're going to use this on WSL, you should use it in the Conda environment. So let's install Conda. How do we install Conda? Do we have Conda? Conda. Okay, so it's curl dash Oh. And download it. What is it? Let's move this out. Temp. Let's go to temp. Alright. Make the file executable. Then it should. Sure. Yeah. Do stuff. Yeah, sure. Fine. That's fine. Sure. Do you think? Want to activate just new. Get out. Hang it out. Jump back in. There. Condo version. There. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. You need to go to LN S. You need to go here. There. Then pop. Boom. Into Unsloth documentation. Just copy and paste it. So I'm gonna copy this. Go here. Boom. Boom. Conda activate Unsloth. So let's activate it. Okay, Conda and right. Stop the Conda act. Why won't you activate this? Please activate. You should get out of here again and come back in. Okay, I was supposed to do that. Huh? Alright, so I'm now in the Conda environment. Let's go back to Unsloth. Let's get rid of this environment. Because I do Python version, it should be. No, okay, so I'm in the Unsloth environment. I gotta stop again. Dang it. Alright. Okay, let's try this one more time. What? It's working. It's working. After all that, it picked up my GPU. It knows. No, look, it's downloading. All right, this is good. This is good. It's good. After all that. Uh-oh.
Mission status.
Oh, well, I kind of got it working on Windows. I had to enable WSL and had to install a bunch of crap and then had to use Conda environment. So I think I got it working.
Mission failed.
Oh, come on. Oh, I didn't fail.